This is how two simple trades made me over $500 in the stock market this past week. Let's get into the video. So if you guys don't know, I run a stock options Discord. We are in it right now. If you have the premium access, then you have obviously seen this kind of alert tab. And then you can also see Kyle's alert tab right here as well. But this is kind of where we operate out of within our Discord. And I'm going to be showing you guys how these two trades right here, Starbucks and Pepsi, made me over $500 just trading stock options this past week. So let's get into this video. So if you guys want to join the Discord, by the way, all you have to do is come down here, click this link right here, discord.gg. And then you are going to be able to join right here. It'll say Herb invited you. We have almost 17,000 members. Definitely trying to push for that by the end of the month. But basically 17,000 members in here that are all reaping the benefits of these trades as well. If you want to see these trades, all you have to do is come here, get premium by clicking this upgrade chat link. And we're actually giving $29 off to everyone that watches these YouTube videos. All you have to do is use the coupon YouTube at checkout. On the premium monthly membership, you'll get $29 off forever. So you'll be locked in at $50 rather than $79. So definitely go ahead and take advantage of that. But let's get into kind of how these trades went down and how we made all this, $500. So how did we do so well on Pepsi and Starbucks? Well, let's get into it. So first off, this trade was made on Friday. We swung it over the weekend, but it was made at Friday at about 10:04 a.m. And we made both these trades, Pepsi and a Starbucks put. It was for the next weekend, so we can give ourselves a little bit of time. And I saw some really good, I was really a lot more confident in this Pepsi play, and I thought Starbucks was a pretty solid play as well. But what did I see? So 10 a.m. On June 28th, last Friday, where were we at? We entered the EMA lines on SPY. RSI was going down, and we were kind of really overbought in the market. And I thought, hey, we need to correct a bit. Let me find a sector within the market that isn't doing too hot. And I kind of found this kind of food and beverage sector that was below its support line. So Starbucks had a support here at $78, and it dipped well below that. Now, Starbucks did kind of rebound a little bit, but I saw still trending down on the RSI. I saw 3 green candlesticks, and right about here, I was like, hey, this has to break through. So I decided, hey, we're below EMA lines. We're trending down the RSI. Let's take a flyer on this and trade it over the weekend. And let's hope that, the market doesn't open up well in the green on Monday. And this food and beverage sector will continue to suck like it has been. So we take that trade on Starbucks. Pepsi looked even better. You can see here that they had this kind of really nice support at 164, and it was just tanking at the open. And I didn't see any signs of Pepsi just stopping. So I decided, hey, let's take another shot here at about 10, and we were able to. Or sorry, it was over here. That's my bad. But I just saw, hey, we're below our support line here at the 165. We're at 164.90. Let's take a flyer. And then obviously into this morning, we started taking profits. So where did we start taking profits? Let's go over it. So you can see here on a Friday, hey, I just want to lock some profit in on Pepsi, up about 26%. And I locked in some profit there. And you can see here, Starbucks, also this morning, I said, hey, it's up 30%. Let's lock some profits in. Sold 2 of these, and I had 5 contracts total on both of these. So it was I believe it was a total of about, I don't know, $700 I spent on these contracts in total. And you can see here, we sold 2 contracts of each of them at 30%. Now, about an hour later, I saw, hey, Pepsi and Starbucks both up 80%. We're already up pretty big to start this Monday. I want to get some other trades in. I think the market's kind of flipping. I want to sell half. So I sold half, put a stop loss on the remainder. Sold half, put a stop loss on the remainder on both. The stop loss was about 30% for both. But then I took these calls about 2.5 hours later, almost 3. And I took a SPY call and the BAC call that I'm still in right now. And I decided right after that, hey, let's sell my puts. I don't want to be fading myself. So Starbucks, I sold at 68%, less than kind of what I sold at half. But then Pepsi made a pretty big bag. And I sold the last two contracts at 120%. So the average of all of these was about 70% on both plays. Now Starbucks was lower. I believe it was a total of like 58%. And then Pepsi was a bit bigger, is about 83%. So averaged out about 70% and made just a little over $500 on both of these plays. And it was pretty simple, just cut and dry. Made these plays halfway through the day on Friday, let them play out, sold a couple in the morning, sold a few more at 80% profit on both, and then decided to close out. Hey, I'm in calls now. And now we're in these calls going into tomorrow, and we're out at about 70% average on both plays. And that's how I made $500, and my whole Discord was able to see it. So yeah, make sure that you guys join with the upgrade chat link here, and then get $29 off when you use code YouTube at checkout to be able to get those premium alerts. We're trading every day live, 2 to 4 trades. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and also comment any questions you may have. I'll get back to you. But yeah, that's it. Peace.